in a quiet, unassuming region where the flushing of toilets is relentless. Flushing, 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 and then more flushing. One entity stands strong in the fight against, on average, 12 million gallons of dirty wastewater a day. Say hello to your friend.
Hi.
Say hello to the LOTT Clean Water Alliance. LOTT. LOTT stands for 4 local governments: Lacey, Olympia, Tumwater, and Thurston County, that combine forces to preserve and protect public health and the environment by cleaning and restoring water resources.
Yeah, LOTT is the local wastewater utility.
Exactly. Fighting stinky sewage from the underbelly of society. Whenever people or businesses in Lacey, Olympia, Tumwater, or Thurston County activate the signal, yes, flush the toilet, or start the dishwasher, or wash laundry, it sends a signal, and some other stuff, and the superheroes at LOTT spring to action.
Yeah, but I'm just doing my job.
Cleaning the water to the highest treatment standards on Puget Sound.
So, again, it's a wastewater utility.
Sure, but a really great one. The superheroes at the LOTT Clean Water Alliance use their powers of science and technology to clean water. The water you use and discard every day. And that helps protect the waters of Bud Inlet and Puget Sound. These superheroes keep the Bud Inlet treatment plant in downtown Olympia, Washington, running 24 hours a day, 365 days a year.
Excuse me, I just need to fix this.
Watching continually to make sure the treatment processes are working correctly. You may not know about the complex, highly scientific processes that take place here at the wastewater treatment plant. Want to learn more? Take a virtual tour of the Bud Inlet Treatment Plant. If you dare.